So this is I guess this would be the first in a series of videos I'm going to make um, about where I used to live in Florida. Just some of the good locations that most people never really get to see because they're too busy. Oh, I don't know, going to Disney World or something like that. But some of the really nice parts of Florida. This is from some video that I took back in 2019 before I started traveling. I took it purposely because I wanted to document what the area looked like. That way, I don't know, I'd have it for the future. But I started looking through it the other day and realized I had some decent video. So I started putting some together. This first one here is of Port St. Lucie, Florida. It's the Riverwalk Park that runs along the North Fork of the St. Lucie River. Here we go. Well, this is a boardwalk that runs along part of the St. Lucie River in Port St. Lucie. In the background, you can hear that's Port St. Lucie Boulevard with all the traffic. This is just one of the branches of the St. Lucie River. This is on a Monday. It's kind of a pretty spot. Usually lots of birds. There's a nice look of the jungle over here. It's changed a lot in 30 years, 40 years, since they had the original wooden boardwalk that was out here. The part I'm on right now didn't exist 20 years ago, I don't think. No, it didn't exist 20 years ago. The part that's further ahead, that's all in green, that didn't exist 15 years ago. Maybe they started building it then. That was all an old wooden boardwalk. This is all the new section. It's really pretty at night when it's lit up. Of course, the mosquitoes are bad, but that's just how it is over here. All the mangroves. There used to be otters that would be in here, large sea otters, but I haven't seen them in a long time. I don't know if they've ever come back. These are all the standard red mangroves that you find along the edge of the water like this. You can see their roots that just grow off their branches and hang down into the water. Used to be a cool spot, still is. Okay, this is some more of the boardwalk here on the St. Lucie River. It's kind of a interesting little boardwalk. There's several branches of about 3, I believe. This particular one I'm on, this is the newest one. Nice canopy of trees overhead. Now it's raised up above the ground, and if you're patient, you can sometimes see raccoons. There's always squirrels. Here's some more of the red mangrove. Just a real pretty spot. This is a Monday, so there's not too many people out here. There's usually not too many people anyway. Well, let's follow it along here. This actually comes out at a little parking lot for a convenience store / gas station. If I remember right, there used to be a little lake down here, a little retention pond lake, man-made, of course. And I got some good pictures of a baby alligator. Real good pictures. I'm gonna look back. A whole tunnel of trees in there. It's kind of nice. And I hear squirrels going at it, running around. This is what Florida woods actually looks like, at least in this area. Usually pretty dense, all different kinds of vegetation. Wet, muddy, mucky, and definitely bug infested. But it's also real damn pretty. Of course, it's also a view that most people just never get the time or take the time to see. The reason I stopped, there's a raccoon hiding in there. Just saw him out of the corner of my eye. And he is right down there, hiding. Let's see if I can catch him or not. Yeah, it's a very cool spot. This is what it's like down by the water. This area all gets flooded because it's all connected to the ocean. So whenever the tides get really high, water does come back in here. But by the time it gets to this point, it's really just fresh water. I can't see that little fella, but I know he's around there somewhere. I hear him moving. Of course, that could just be a squirrel. He's right there. I don't know if you can see him. Right there. Small one. Little masked bandit too. Yeah, I see you. You know I'm looking at you. You know I'm filming you. Oh, come on, do something funny for the camera. Come on. Yeah, he's running off for cover. Oh well. So anyway, like I said, it's a real pretty spot. Let's see if that little retention pond is still here. Hey, let's see if the gator's still here. Yeah, here's the little pond. They put a fountain in since that last time I came here. I doubt the gator's here. That water looks way too clean right now. Now I'm going to walk back through this tunnel of trees. It's funny, I don't think most people that even live here know this is really here or ever take advantage of it. They're more interested in sitting in the air conditioning. But for those of us who do know it's here, it's a pretty spot. Here's a little bit more of the St. Lucie River. I'm going to walk back the way I came. I'm going to go down the third ramp that brings you to the parking area. This section's all new. They replaced all this railing. They used to have this green railing. And they put this aluminum in. It's funny. The green railing's all old now, but to me it's still new. Because I remember when this walkway stopped right here at the highest point. It wasn't very wide, it was only about 4 foot wide, 5 foot wide. Had little covered areas for the seating, which was kind of cool. I always used to see a lot of birds out here. Little blue herons, egrets, snow egrets, cattle egrets, great blue herons, Great white herons. Never did catch any fish over here. I saw a few catfish every now and then. Had a couple of fights with an otter trying to take a fish off that I'd already caught. That was funny to watch. Here's the one of the original walkways, and this has all been changed. It's new. This was only about a 4-foot wide walkway as well. Here's an asshole on a jet ski. Okay, there's a little blue heron. Actually, that's a great blue heron way out there.